tried to get away, but I found them. Got one, Robert. Not super huge, but big enough to lip. Got one. Oh yeah, this is a good one, it feels like. Jumbo daddy. That's a good sized brim right there. Good one right there.
6 that we caught earlier.
Alright, so we got the bluegill fillets, marinated them in hot sauce, and now I have them battered in the Cajun two-step breading mix. I'm going to deep fry them. So these are going to cook fast, you don't want to cook them too long. Wow, let those cook for a few minutes and then we'll flip them.
Woo-wee! It's almost like they jumped out of the water and right onto my plate.